Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. I am Alida Malvira. I'm from Padang State University and I'm from International Class of Early Childhood Education 2018. And first of all, let's thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who always given us healthy and opportunity so we can follow our video for today. And then salawat and salam for our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam who bring us from the darkness to the brightness. Okay, I hope you are doing well for today and this video to make for middle exam from the assessment of early childhood education. Today, so now we will discuss about our topic. The first is portfolio and the second is the scale. First is the portfolio. Portfolio in the education is a note or file that is used to show the achievement from someone. Portfolio in education are usually used by certain parties to access a person's academic ability. For the example, first is the diplomas, second is the report card, the third is the award certificate, this is, and the last is the training certificate, and the others file. The definition of portfolio assessment is an assessment technique that is carried by assessing the work of students in the form of a collection of achievements, words, academic or non-academic achievements, which are done or produced by students. Example of essay, poems, letters, painting, research reports, group work report, certificates. Two things that can be observed from this portfolio, first is the process and the second is the research or products. Process, which show how children learn and do activities. The emphasis is on the strategies. Second, results or products, which are evidence of what students have done. Next is the form of portfolio. First is contains all the data that the teacher has collected while observing the children, both in the form of checklists, anecdotal notes, and necessary work. Next, we'll light out. Next, one child has one portfolio, and then have a child identity, and then the data set is sorted by the date of the assessment event. And then the portfolio format can be developed by each institution. Next is the portfolio form. In general, portfolio assessment, according to Foster-Sandmaster 1998, can be divided into three groups. First is word portfolios, documentary portfolios, and show portfolios. Overall from me about the portfolio, and the next material is the rating scale. The rating scale is a form of observation guideline used to collect individual data by classifying, assessing individual behavior or situation at certain levels. For the next is the form of rating scale. First is quantitative rating scale, second is descriptive rating scale, and the last is grading scale with graphic. First is quantitative rating scale. A quantitative rating scale is a form of observation guide that describes aspect or the observed behavior described in numeric or numeric scale. And the second is the descriptive rating scale. Descriptive assessment scale is a form of observation that describes aspects of the observed behavior described in a scale in the form of descriptive word. And the last is grading scale with graphic. Graphical grading scale in the form of a series continuum, a set of categories is described at specific points along the line, but the readers can mark his decision in any of the places of the line. Okay, overall the material from me about the portfolio and the rating scale. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and before I'm closing, I want to say big thanks for Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala and for my parents, and my lecturer is Dr. Neni Mahyuddin MPD, and then for my friends and the others, thank you for support me in all situation. See you for the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.